In this video, I'm going to show you how to sort by color in Google Sheets. So as you can see in the sample spreadsheet, we have here a list of tasks in different colors. So our goal is to select a specific color, then the task in that selected color should be compiled up next to each other. So to do this, what we're going to do is we're going to select the cells that are involved in the sorting. After selecting and highlighting the cells, on your cursor, simply right-click. And in here, as you can see, we have here in option, create a filter. Simply click this and click the filter icon in here and go to sort by color. In sort by color, navigate to fill color. And in here, let's say we're going to sort in red color. Click red. And as you can see, the color in red are now compiled to each other. Let's try on a different color in here. Let's say white. And as you can see, tasks that are in white background color are now compiled up next to each other. Let's try on another color in here. Let's say yellow. And tasks with yellow background are now next to each other. And that's about it. That's how to sort by color in Google Sheets. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.